Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Forever Amber. It's a candy and we've made this since I've married into Kenneth's family. It's great tasting. It don't take nothing to make, and it's a real hit among friends and family. I haven't made it in a long time. This recipe originated from my ex-sister-in-law Joan. That's Kenneth's oldest brother, his wife, and we used to gather at their house, me and her and her daughter and some friends, and we would make this and other goodies, date balls and fudge and just all kind of treats for Christmas, and then everybody would take some of it home, so that way everybody would have something for their family to put out for Christmas. We are going to start with spray your pan or butter it, whichever one you want. I use these orange slices, and you get a pound of orange slices. And the worst part of this recipe is you have to cut up these orange slices into little bitty bits of, cut them up into about 3 or 4 per slice. And we're going to dump that in here. Make sure I got all of them. That's a pound of orange slices. Then we're going to put 2 cans of Eagle brand condensed milk, or whatever brand you want, but I like Eagle brand. You're going to turn your oven on to 275. Let it preheat. This is going to be so good, and it looks so pretty on your tray. You know, if you make a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay. We're going to put 1 cup of chopped pecans, and we're going to put 7 ounces of coconut, and this is 14 ounces, so I'm going to put about half the bag. Okay, and then you're going to put 1 teaspoon of orange flavoring. Should have opened it up before I started this. 1 teaspoon. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okie dokie. And you're going to need a box of powdered sugar, but that's for later. Your oven is 275. We're going to mix all this together. Everything's coated. We need to just cook for a couple of days straight. We make this forever amber and date balls and fudge and cookies and just all kind of different potato candy. I haven't made that in a long time. When we get it all mixed up, we're going to smooth it out. You're going to preheat your oven to 275, and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. And then you're going to bring it out and you're going to let it cool completely. It has to be completely. You might have to go over there and stir it every now and then until it gets cool, because we're going to be making little balls out of it, so it can't be hot. And we're going to be rolling it in the powdered sugar. So we'll be getting it in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. We'll be back. We, made it, baked it, took it out, and we let it real cool, and then I had to stick it in the refrigerator. I stuck it in the refrigerator overnight to firm up and cool, because if you don't, it just that powdered sugar don't stick to it. So let it cool, firm up, and then I've made a couple of them already. Just shape them. Hey, welcome back. I've rolled all the Forever Amber and the powdered sugar, and I got it all rolled up. As you can see, they're just little round balls. You could make them smaller if you wanted to. It's your preference. Let's see how it tastes. It's so good. They're chewy. Got a little crunch because of the nuts and the coconut. I think you're going to like them. I'm going to put these in a airtight container and I will put wax paper in between the layers because they're sticky and they'll stick together if you don't. And I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. And when you take them out, you can repowder them in confectionery sugar if you want to make them real pretty. Or, you know, after a couple of days, you don't have to do that, but set them out on a platter with some fudge or cookies or something, so you'll have them different colors. So I hope you make them, hope you try them. Let me know in the comments, and I hope you try this Forever Amber. And as always, God bless.